Good day, family and friends. Welcome once again to Smokepotandbalance Kitchen. You're here with the one and only Smoke Pot, and I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me, but we plan to start running effective today. Alright, so please continue the journey with us. For today, we're going to be doing what is called pot roast beef, and I'm going to be doing this my style as usual, so pay close attention as we go through. I'm going to show you the seasons that we're going to be using, and then we're going to continue with the process. So firstly, I'll use some sazon. I've used this quite a lot when I'm in the mood. It gives a good color, also gives some flavoring. I'm adding everything into my container. All-purpose seasoning. And you can be flexible, just try to understand what your season tastes like. Use about a teaspoon of that. And whatever that you enjoy working with, you use it, alright? Here I have, it's chicken season. You might be wondering why chicken season in beef, but this is also very, very nice to flavor any type of poultry or meat or bird. It doesn't matter, seafood, it does wonders. Here I have some black pepper. You give it maybe about an half teaspoon. Next we have this is some pink Himalayan salt, some pink salt. And we'll put a little of that in it. Then we're gonna get this together. I like balance whenever I'm doing my thing. Alright, so first step. And here I have my beef that I'm going to be working with. Here I have my beef. I'm just going to make a few dots all over it so that it absorbs much more quickly. The fat that's here, it's good for the flavoring and for the moist, so I will not remove that just yet. Alright, you make a few stabs all over this bad boy right here. When you're through, then you're just going to rub your seasoning all over, nice and gentle all over. Alright guys, this is just the first part. You rub in your meat nicely, you marinate it, you rub it basically like, you know, just make sure you're in love with what you're doing. It in nicely, all the corners, sides. And guys, this is just the first step, so we're gonna move on right now to the second step, guys. Well, here we have some ground seasoning, and what we're gonna be making is a wet rub to also apply to the beef that we have. So right in this one, we have some garlic and we have some ginger. All right, we have some onions and we have some pimento seeds, or some people call them pimento berries. And right here we have some scallion and we have some scotch bonnet pepper. All right, then I have some red bell pepper and I have some Granny Smith apple. I needed some citrus in this mix, so I added some Granny Smith apple. So I'm gonna be putting them together and then basically make that wet rub that we're talking about. All right, so I'll hold you right there. My onion, this is my onion, my pimento seeds. think I might have to do it twice. So now I just gotta get these together. There, we're getting all of these together. So we have a nice, beautiful rub for our beautiful roast beef that we're gonna be making. That ginger, guys, does wonders. All right, and as we pound and we get more space, then we can just apply the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna put my red pepper and my green apple to join this nice conversation that's going on right now. Then we're going to be marinating this in a few, and then we're going to allow it to sit. So I'll see you back in a sec as soon as I finish pounding. Yes, guys. So now I'll continue. I'm going to put this and scrape this out. It's all mixed together. So all that ground seasoning is all mixed together. That aroma is just off the charts. Smells so nice.
Smells good.
Alright, so now I'm gonna, as I'm saying, that's now my wet rub. So now I'm just gonna plaster it all over our nice beef that's there with the dry rub. Alright, so we just work this in nicely. Remember all the seasoning that I used: pimento seed, garlic, onion, scallion, ginger, green apple. Guys, it smells so delicious and it's not cooked. Right, so we're gonna leave this to sit for 2 hours, and then from there we're gonna continue with the cooking process. So you leave this to sit. Leave that to sit for 2 hours, and then we get back to you. Balance Kitchen, remember, like, share, subscribe. So guys, it's now 2 hours since we have our beef marinating. So now we're gonna go to the next step. So I poured some olive oil in my pan. Right, put some olive oil in my pan right here. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just, as you can see, I'm using a wok. You know, the Chinese use their wok, but this will be very, very comfortable for what I'm doing. So I have this stove on high heat, and I'm going to start it off by it's almost like a frying procedure, alright? Everybody does their thing different, but the end result in terms of the flavor and the taste is what I'm most interested in. So I'm going to just add it. By doing this, I'm just trying to get a light brown, you know, glaze on it, and then we continue with basically the pot, as it's called, pot roast. It's going to be cooked completely in the pot until it's tender and juicy and nice. I'm not a medium rare or a rare guy, so I'm more like well done medium work in between there. Alright, so you won't be seeing too much pink when I'm through, but it will be tender, it will be juicy. I'm gonna do both sides for like about 5 to 7 minutes, After which I'm gonna be adding the rest of the season that I have and then slow roast it. Alright? So beautiful, as you can see right here, it's beautiful. It's not 5 minutes yet, but yes. What the color is gonna be coming like. Alright? So give me a 10 more minutes and then we're gonna be on our way. Alright, so stay tuned. Smoke Pot and Balance Kitchen. For those who celebrate Thanksgiving in the States, happy Thanksgiving to you. For those who don't, just make sure that every day you give thanks for life. And those all over the world, just be thankful about something if you're still here on this planet. Alright? So be back in a few to finish up this beautiful recipe, Smoke Pot Balance Kitchen. Now that I have, as you can see, a nice sear on both sides, as you can see, I have a nice sear on both sides. So now I'm going to have my additional, my season that I did in the wet rub. I'll just put it anywhere in the pot because this is going to now slowly cook down the beef to give a good flavor. Alrighty, so I'm going to leave this right, have some boiling water. I'm going to have just a little boiling water. Okay, then I'm going to cover the pot, lower the flame, and then I'll check back on it in the next 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's coming on well. Flavors are there, very colorful. The aroma is off the charts, so I can't wait to finish this one. So continue watching. I'll be back in a few. So guys, I've been cooking my steak now for approximately half an hour on both sides, and it's right where I want it to be, somewhat on the well done side. So now I'm going to just remove it from the pot and I'm going to put it to sit for a quick little minute right here. Right, I'm going to have it sitting in this container and then I worry about the gravy. So as you can see, I made a few slices to test it, and it's perfectly done now, so I'm going to have it sitting right here. In the meantime, I'm going to be making some gravy for this. So what I'm going to do, I'm adding a little more liquid to this. Alrighty. And I have right here I have a little flour. I'm going to add to that to give it a little body, to thicken it while the temperature is on low. Then also I have some coconut cream I'm adding in the mix. Alright. Alright, so you do like that. Alright, this gravy now I'm gonna do on the fine dining style, so I'll be making this cool and then I'm gonna blend it to get a very smooth finish. Alright, so this is gonna be a gravy for our steak while our steak sits. As I'm saying, my steak will be well done. Alrighty, so this sauce within 5 minutes, beautiful, within 5 minutes this sauce will be ready, and as I'm saying, then it will cool and then I blend it. So you guys will see the finished product in a second. So once again, thank you for watching Smoke Pot and Balance Kitchen. Remember, share, like, subscribe. turn your notification bell on, so you see every video that I put up as soon as it comes on. Alright, so guys, stick around to see the finished product. But I can tell you, it's smelling so aromatic, so good right now. And the gravy that I just tasted, it's off the charts. So guys, see you in a few for the finished product, and one love every time. Hey guys, now I've cooled my sauce that I was making, and I blended it nicely, smoothly. So now here's my finished product. This is your roast beef, okay, and I'm gonna top it with this nice beautiful sauce that you see me making. So to finish up, we're just gonna put a little around our platter. And then we're gonna add a little just over our beef also, nicely like so. That's beautiful, guys. And then to top it off, I have a little cucumber and a little bell pepper. I'll do the same with it, to color it up and let it stand out the right way. Put some alongside. And you can never beat, when you're doing fish or you're doing steak like I'm doing right now, top it off with a little bit of, sprinkle a little bit of basil leaf on it. And a little more on that. And guys, there you go. That is my pot roast steak with my specialized sauce with a little coconut cream to it. Topped off with a little cucumber, some bell tomatoes, and a little basil leaf. So guys, try it. Hope you like what you see. Hope you have fun trying my recipe. Please make sure you test and you let me know what it was like. I do appreciate the support. I'm sorry I've been missing for a while, but circumstances. But in the meantime, we continue to push on. I hope everybody is in good health. And once again, remember, it's Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Your one and only Smokepot. Remember, share, like, subscribe. Turn your notification bell on. One love everybody. God bless every time. Peace out.